Himanshu, copying other videos copyright. Is translating other channels' video in our own voice considered as fair use on YouTube? Let's say I found an interesting video and I translated it into my own voice and changed the visuals. Would it still be a copyright content? So basically what you're saying is you download a video from YouTube and then just translate it into another language and put other footage over it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think because you will be using the same script, but if you translate it in your own language and with your own voice, plus you add other footage over it, I think you should be fine. But I'm not 100% certain about this. So be careful with it because you might get into trouble with it. But yeah, to be safe, I would at least change up the script a little bit, like why you said under that too with Quillbar ChatGPT, for example, so that you paraphrase the text and not one-on-one copy the whole text. But if you have another voice and another video edit, it should be fine and you shouldn't get into problems.